Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is Sarah.
We are so happy you're here with us again today.
Today, we have a topic that is close to everyone's heart.
Yes, today we talk about how to describe your family in English.
Family is one of the most important things in our lives.
And people love to talk about their families.
When you meet someone new, they often ask about your family.
So you need to know the right words and phrases.
We will teach you everything, step by step, as always.
Simple words, short sentences, and lots of practice.
Are you ready to talk about your family? Let us start.
First, let us learn the names of family members in English.
Your mother is the woman who raised you. We also say mom.
Your father is the man who raised you. We also say dad.
Mom and dad. These are the most common informal words.
Your parents means your mother and father together.
Your brother is a boy or man with the same parents as you.
Your sister is a girl or woman with the same parents as you.
Brothers and sisters together are called siblings.
Siblings. That is a useful word. It means brothers and sisters.
Your son is your male child. Your daughter is your female child.
Your children means your sons and daughters together.
Let us practice. Repeat after me, please.
My mother is kind. My father is hardworking.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
I have 3 children, 2 sons and 1 daughter.
Great job! You know the basic family members now.
Now, let us learn about the extended family members.
Extended family means family beyond your parents and siblings.
Your grandmother is your mother's mother or your father's mother.
We also say grandma. It's shorter and more informal.
Your grandfather is your mother's father or your father's father.
We also say grandpa. Grandma and grandpa are very common words.
Your grandparents means your grandmother and grandfather together.
Your uncle is your parent's brother. Your aunt is your parent's sister.
Your nephew is your brother's or sister's son.
Your niece is your brother's or sister's daughter.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
My grandmother lives in a small town near the mountains.
I have 3 cousins. We all grew up together.
My uncle and aunt live in another city far away.
Wonderful. Now you know the extended family words, too.
Now, let us learn how to describe your family size.
People often ask, how big is your family?
Or, do you have a big family or a small family?
Or, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
You can answer, I have a big family. There are 7 of us.
Or, I have a small family. It's just me and my parents.
Or, I come from a big family with many cousins and uncles.
Come from means your family background, where you grew up.
You can also say, I'm an only child. I have no brothers or sisters.
An only child means there is just one child in the family.
Or, I'm the oldest of 4 children in my family.
Or, I'm the youngest. My 2 sisters are older than me.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I have a big family. There are 6 of us.
I'm the youngest of 3 children in my family.
I am an only child. I have no brothers or sisters.
Excellent. You can describe your family size perfectly now.
Now let us learn how to describe your family members.
You can describe what they look like, their appearance.
You can say, my mother is tall and has long dark hair.
Or, my father is short and has brown eyes.
Or, my sister looks like my mother. They have the same smile.
Looks like means they appear similar. They seem the same.
You can also describe their personality, how they act.
You can say, my mother is very kind and caring.
Caring means she thinks about other people and helps them a lot.
Or, my father is funny. He always makes us laugh.
Or, my brother is quiet but very smart.
Or, My grandmother is generous. She always gives us gifts.
Generous means a person likes to give and share with others.
Let us practice describing family. Repeat after me, please.
My mother is very kind and caring. I love her so much.
My father is funny. He always makes everyone laugh.
My grandmother is generous. She always gives us gifts.
Now you can describe your family members beautifully.
People also ask about your family members' jobs.
They might ask, "What does your father do?"
This means, what is his job? What does he do for work?
You can answer, "My father is a teacher. He teaches at a local school."
Or, my mother is a doctor. She works at a big hospital.
Or, "My brother is a student. He studies engineering at university."
Or, my sister works in a bank. She's a manager there.
You can also say, "My mother does not work. She stays at home."
Or, my father is retired. He stopped working 2 years ago.
Retired means he finished working because of his age.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
My father is a teacher. He teaches at a local school.
My mother is a doctor. She works at a big hospital.
My grandfather is retired. He enjoys gardening at home now.
Great! You can talk about your family's jobs easily now.
Another common question is, where does your family live?
You can say, my family lives in a big city near the coast.
Or, my parents live in the same town where I grew up.
Or, my sister lives abroad. She moved to Canada last year.
Abroad means in another country, far away from your home country.
You can also say, we all live close to each other. Very lucky.
Or, my family is spread out. We live in different cities.
Spread out means family members live in many different places.
You can also talk about visiting family members regularly.
Like, I visit my grandparents every month. They live nearby.
Or, I see my parents once a year. They live very far away.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
My parents live in the same town where I grew up.
My sister lives abroad. She moved to Canada last year.
I visit my grandparents every month. They live nearby.
Now you can talk about where your family lives.
Let us talk about things you do together with your family.
Family activities are things you enjoy doing as a group.
You can say, we eat dinner together every evening at home.
Or, we go for a walk in the park every weekend.
Or, we cook together on Fridays. It is our family tradition.
A tradition is something you do regularly over a long time.
Or, we watch movies together on Saturday nights at home.
Or, we visit our grandparents for lunch every Sunday.
Or, we go on a family trip once a year to the mountains.
You can also say, my favorite family activity is cooking together.
Or, I love when we all sit together and tell old stories.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
We eat dinner together every evening at home.
We go on a family trip once a year to the mountains.
My favorite family activity is cooking together on Fridays.
Wonderful. Your family sounds amazing.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Listen carefully.
Okay, we are two friends at a cafe talking about our families.
Hey, Sarah, tell me about your family. How big is your family?
I have a pretty big family. There are 5 of us at home.
5. So who is in your family? Tell me about everyone.
There's my mom, my dad, my older brother, and my younger sister.
That is nice. What does your mom do for a living?
My mom is a nurse. She works at a hospital near our house.
And your dad? What does he do for work?
My dad is an engineer. He designs buildings for a big company.
Wow. And what about your brother and sister? What are they like?
My brother is tall and very funny. He is a university student.
And your sister? Is she similar to you or totally different?
My sister is quiet and creative. She loves drawing and painting.
She sounds lovely. Do you all live together right now?
My parents and sister live together. My brother lives at university.
Do you see your family often? Do you do things together?
Yes, we eat dinner together every evening when we can.
That is so nice. I love families that spend time together.
What about you, Jake? Tell me about your family.
I have a small family, just my mom, my dad, and me.
An only child. Do you wish you had brothers or sisters?
Sometimes, but I am very close to my cousins. We are like siblings.
That is beautiful. Family is so important in our lives.
It really is. That was a great conversation about families.
Now, pause the video and practice talking about your own family.
Let us also learn to describe family relationships quickly.
You can say, I am very close to my mother. We talk every day.
Close to means you have a strong and loving connection with someone.
Or, my brother and I get along really well together.
Get along means you have a good, friendly relationship.
Or, I look up to my grandfather. He is my role model.
Look up to means you respect and admire someone very much.
Or, my sister and I are best friends. We share everything.
You can also say, my family is very supportive of me.
Supportive means they help you and encourage you in life.
Let us practice relationship phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I am very close to my mother. We talk every day.
My brother and I get along really well together.
I look up to my grandfather. He is my role model.
Beautiful. You can describe family relationships perfectly now.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Parents, your mother and father together as a group.
Siblings, your brothers and sisters, all of them together.
Grandparents, your grandmother and grandfather together.
Uncle, your parents' brother. He is part of your extended family.
Aunt, your parents' sister. She is part of your extended family.
Cousin, the child of your uncle or your aunt.
Nephew, your brother's or sister's son, a male child.
Niece, your brother's or sister's daughter, a female child.
Only child, a person with no brothers or sisters at all.
Retired, when a person stops working because of their age.
Close to, having a strong, loving connection with someone special.
Get along, having a good, friendly relationship with another person.
Supportive, when people help and encourage you in your life.
These are all important family words for your English vocabulary.
Now here's your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Describe your family in English. Tell us all about them.
First, say how big your family is, big or small.
Then name your family members: mother, father, brothers, sisters.
Then describe one family member. What do they look like? Their personality.
Then say what they do, their job, or if they are a student.
Then say what you do together as a family.
And finally, say who you are closest to and why.
Can you do all of that? Try it right now, out loud.
Pause the video and describe your family in English today.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review today.
Today, we learned how to talk about our family in English.
We learned the names of all the basic family members.
We learned the extended family: grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins.
We learned how to describe our family size.
We learned how to describe what our family members are like.
We learned how to talk about their jobs and where they live.
We learned about family activities and things we do together.
And we practiced a full conversation about family.
You did a truly amazing job today. We are so proud of you.
Your family is special. Share their story with the world.
Practice describing your family a little bit every day this week.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment. Tell us one thing about your family.
We love hearing about your families from around the whole world.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today, everyone.
Keep practicing, keep talking. Your English is getting so good.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Give your family a big smile today. See ya.
Bye. We believe in you. Keep going. See you next time.